I'm speaking to someone who's in government, and we got on the topic of the Freedom of Information Act, which is available to all of us to send to a governmental entity a request for public documents. And this is very helpful when you're looking for complaints about certain areas or pre-existing events, etc. But it's interesting, governments many times will describe the same thing different ways. Many times they'll describe the same location from different viewpoints. And so when you do a Freedom of Information Act request, think about the following things. One, talk to an expert about what kinds of terminology that might be used. Remember that it's going to take a little while for this to come, and the more specific and complete you can be, the more likely you're going to get the information sooner. But what's important to remember is that in addition to being specific on a number of topics, also be broad. Use broad phasing. And lastly, you are not limited to just one request. If you get documents and you see that different terminology is being used, send another one and send another one. Ask for clarification. That is how you effectively use the Freedom of Information Act. It is an underutilized, extremely powerful weapon in finding information.